Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, power steering, keyless ignition, electronic stability control, power windows, power door locks, fog lamps, daytime running lights, leather, convenience package, alarm, towing package, rear spoiler, premium package. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.